Hurricane Katrina was one of the costliest natural disasters in the history of the United States. It was the sixth strongest Atlantic hurricane ever recorded. Hurricane Katrina formed over the Bahamas on August 23, 2005, and crossed southern Florida as a moderate Category 1 hurricane, causing some deaths and flooding there before strengthening rapidly in the Gulf of Mexico. Upon reaching the Gulf, the eye began to form, causing the size of the hurricane to nearly double. On August 29th, Hurricane Katrina made landfall in Louisiana with 125-mile-per-hour winds as a strong Category 3 storm. It caused severe destruction along the Gulf Coast from central Florida to Texas, much of it due to the storm surge. The storm surge was estimated to be up to 20 feet high. The most significant number of deaths occurred in New Orleans, Louisiana, which flooded as the levee system failed. Katrina's storm surge caused 53 different levee breaches in greater New Orleans, submerging 80% of the city.